Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have our 2019 Nissan Sentra, and we're going to go ahead and put our door panel back on. We've got all the work we need to inside of there and put everything else back on. So the door panel, you're just going to line it up. See this little tab there? You want that to go on the back of the door jam. It's on the metal inside, so bring it down and work your way around and snap all those push pins around, and then we got this cover that we need to put back on. This cover here, line it up, it into place there, and then this cover up here, this you just kind of put it in at a little bit of an angle to line it up. And when you get it, snap the clip in there, and then we have one bolt we need to put in right here. Got that one bolt in, tightened up, and then we have our electrics we need to hook back up to this. Snap that back in, then snap that all back together. And so that's how you replace your door panel on your 2019 Nissan Sentra. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.